And regarding the objectives, sometimes it's difficult to achieve these objectives and create with the other partner. How do you did you negotiate these subjects? These objectives, sorry.
It was a very easy one, very easy to negotiate that, because we both agreed that we want the exchange to be engaging and enjoyable, So we want the children to enjoy it. It was for the children. So it's nice, and we really had fun as well. But if they didn't enjoy, there's no point. So what we did is we asked the children, what do you want to do? What do you want to know? What do you want to? So they picked the topics themselves. Of course, the topic, we checked that the topics that they chose, they were included in the curriculum, okay, of course. But they don't have to know that. We know that, but they don't have to know that. So they picked backgrounds. They wanted to talk about food. They wanted to talk about themselves, of course. And one more time, you will see there that is the benefit of diversity. If all of them were from Spain, okay, they will be talking about the same type of food, the same type of languages. No, but we have people from Nigeria, people from the Philippines, people from Spain, people from different backgrounds, and they shared information about fallas, and you will see a chat later about Easter in the Philippines, about the chicken cholof, something like that in Nigeria. Very spicy one, I have to say. I cannot try anymore because I suffered that chicken. So it was really, really really fun. Okay, and it was like for them to, because they chose the topic, so it's what they really wanted to know, no? And it's what I wanted. I wanted them to pick, to make sure that it was within, like included in the curriculum, and to have fun, and it worked. It really worked.